Alright, working on the G8 today. I started taking this stuff apart. I just started taking everything apart. But what we gonna do is, it got a lifter tick. I didn't start it up. So I'm gonna just go on and get to it. We gonna take the heads off and everything like that. We'll come back to y'all with this one. Me. So we got the water pump off. And once we get the water pump off, after we get down here to the crank bolt, and ain't no way they ain't got the crank bolt tightened up. What is going on? No. Come on, man. Now watch who you take your shit to. Okay. So, I guess that one collapsed. The rest of it straight. Just that. This is a no-no in the illest world. No. This is a no-no. We're gonna make it great again. Time to do the most important part to be cleaning all this filthy ass gunk up. It's disgusting. Everything nice and clean, you know? Finally got this bull shit out of there. See this motherfucker? He like him talking about BTR cam. Fuck. Clean it off. Got that full detail done. Yeah, so those dirty motors, man. Gotta do that. So luckily he shut the motor down in time. We rinsed all that stuff down. It's the other part of that bearing. And